Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is an exam question on equations of a straight line. Let's get started. So the question states that ABCD is a rectangle. So all of these angles are 90 degrees. Yeah. AE and B are points on the straight line L. So that's these three. And it has equation x plus 2y equals 12. Um, on the side, I'm going to rewrite this. So x plus 2y equals 12. I want to make y the subject. So subtract x both sides. So 2y equals minus x plus 12, or 12 minus x, whichever way you want to write it. And then I divide by 2 both sides. So this gives me the equation in the form y equals mx plus c. Over 2 is 6, so y equals minus x over 2 plus 6. Right, what this gives me is the following: y equals minus x over 2 plus 6. So I know the value of the gradient, and I also know the coordinates of E, which is the y-intercept, which is 0, 6. Okay, so that's my first step. Right, it says wait, I missed this. A and D are points on the straight line M. So A and D are on this line. AE equals EB. So this is equal to this. Okay. Find an equation for M. Okay, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the coordinates of B, because B is the point where the line L touches the x-axis. So at that particular point, its y coordinate will be equal to 0. So I can find that. Then I can work out this distance, and then I can work out this distance over here, giving me the coordinates of A. And then I can use the gradient minus half its negative reciprocal to find out the equation of this line. So that's the plan. So I'm going to do step 2 here for line L. X is sorry, when y equals 0, comma. So the equation is y equals minus x over 2 plus 6. So 0 is equal to minus x over 2 plus 6. You subtract 6 both sides. So minus 6 is equal to minus x over 2 times 2 both sides. So minus 12 is equal to minus x, and then finally divide by minus 1. X equals 12. So this coordinate here is 12, 0. Okay, so this gap is 12 from 0. This horizontal gap is 12, and the vertical gap is 6. And since EB is the same as EA, this horizontal gap is also going to be 12, and the vertical gap is going to be 6 over there. So the coordinates of A are going to be minus 12, because you're going 12 to the left from 0, so that's minus 12, and then plus 12 because you're going 6 off. So those are the coordinates of A. So that was my third point over there. A has the coordinates minus 12, 12. Done that. Now, fourth point for line M. Again, perpendicular lines, we know that their gradients multiply to give you minus 1, or they're negative reciprocals of each other. M1 will be the gradient of line L, and the gradient of line L is minus a half. Let's correct that. That's minus a half times M2 equals minus 1. So I multiply both sides by 2 to give me minus 1 times M2 is equal to minus 2. Divide both sides by minus 1. M2 is equal to 2. Okay, so the equation is y equals 2x plus c. All right, now I can use the coordinates of A because line M goes through the point A. So the coordinates of A are minus 12 and 12. So when x equals minus 12 and y equals 12, right, going to substitute these in. So y is 12, 2 times minus 12 plus c. It's minus 24 plus c is 12 plus 24 both sides. C is 36. So then your final equation is y equals minus y equals 2x plus 36. And that's my solution. Thank you for watching. And remember, please remember Palestine in the present. Assalamu alaikum.